Hey, what's up my good people? Let's talk about the TPMS. I'm inside a 2007 Honda CR-V and I have a TPMS lights on my dash. So do you know what TPMS stand for? I know some of you know, some of you might not know, but today I'm going to tell you what does that TPMS stand for and whether it is critical on your car performance or not. My name is Jeff Cowboy and welcome to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for those who have already subscribed. We wouldn't be this far were it not for you. So let's get started. TPMS stand for what? Tire pressure monitoring system. Let me see what I got this right. Oh yeah, it is tire pressure monitoring system. Now when that light comes on, what does that mean? It means one or two of your tire for your vehicle has a slow leak, so it doesn't have the correct amount of tire pressure that need for your car to perform efficiently or the way it's supposed to perform. And is it important? Does it matter if one of your tire pressure is low or not low? Yes, it is very crucial. And today on this video we're gonna check my tires and I'm gonna show you where to look to see the correct amount of tire pressure that you need for your car. So let's get going. Actually, before we move from the TPMS, this is Honda. Some vehicles will show tire pressure, low tire pressure signal or symbol on your dash that look different from the TPMS. This is mostly Honda, but other vehicle will show this sign that you see here on your screen. And when you see that, just know that one or two of your tires has a low tire pressure. So let me show you where to look for the correct amount of tire pressure. Now when you open the driver's side door right here and look down by the door jamb right here, you see the tire and loading information. So let's see here. This is the front tire. It need to be 30 psi, and the rear tire is supposed to be 30 psi, and then the spare tire it need to be 60 psi. Now if any of the tires have anything less than this, it's going to show the TPMS or the other low tire pressure symbol that I showed you here on the screen. So today on this video I have a toolkit that I received from this company. With this kit I got from ETENWOLF. They got this one says tire pressure gauge with inflator. We're going to unbox this and show you exactly what is in there and how it can help you to make sure you always have the correct amount of the tire pressure. There is also an option here. This model is T300 plus and this one is T500. Both of these, they are going to be, or there'll be a link on the description where you can buy on Amazon. And right now for this one is going for I think 40% off, 40% for those who are going to buy with the link that I have here, because I have an affiliate with Amazon and therefore I'm getting a small commission when you buy one of these. But I wanna unbox it, take it, make it to use, going to test it out. If it's working well and good, if you like it, you can also buy it. Check it out. Let's get started with this one here, the big one. And once you open the box, the first thing you see is the owner's manual. It's a ETENWOLF user manual T500 and all the good stuff information. And then now inside the kit you find this little nice pouch. Nothing else in the box. This is the kit that you'll find inside there. I like the way they have a very nice pouch. You can bring it in your car. And inside here is quite a collection of stuff. Let's go through them. Now let me take out this inflator thing and look, check it out. Well, this is a tire inflator with the gauge attached. And this is a digital gauge. As you can see, they supplied some batteries here. And actually this from here it looks like it's plastic, it's actually metal. They're saying this is the heavy duty, so if you're a truck driver you might need this with your toolkit to check your tire pressure gauge. So I guess the battery goes here, and I have the batteries here, so we're going to attach them right away. And these are batteries. It just came right on. So there is 2 buttons here, and this is on and off button, and this one here you can select different measuring units. That is kPa, bar, and what is that? But we need a PSI. You can see that, yes. So, and then this is for the quick disconnect. Nice. And this one is a screw on connector. I mean, on the kit here we have this one, the lock. I think this one is different from this one. Is just insert a lock like that in place. What else that came here in this kit? Let me show you. We also have this one here. This is one of those tools that works with the stem. I'll remove the, what is it called, shredder coil remover. Alright, and then there is this little kit here. Okay, got different accessories in there, adapters and most shredder coils. With these accessories here, you can inflate your soccer or basketball, a bicycle, air mattress, and so on and so forth. You have Teflon tape, and in here, let's see what you got here. Oh, got metal cups. Got about 2 pairs. Is it 2 pairs, or I mean, enough to cover 2 tires? I mean, enough to cover 8 tires. Okay, we got four pairs, and that's it. Now we are going to test this. For you to have this to work with this, you need a supply of air, which we're going to connect here. Let's get this done going. Now I have my air compressor connected, and coming here I have the air supply here. Quick disconnect, and therefore with this kit, all I need is push this down, and there we go, all connected. We're going to connect this right here. It's just screw. Now I have everything connected. I have the air supply connected, and I have my inflator connected to the tire, and the gauge here is showing that my tire is 30.2 right there. Remember when I showed you on the door, it's supposed to be 30, so it's showing 30.2, 30.1, so I think it's good. But in case I needed to inflate that tire, all I needed is to place right there, and when I release, it's going to show that I inflated my tire to 34.6. right? In case that is too much, I need 30. So if you find out that you have too much air, right here, this button, you press that button, and it's going to release some of the air. When you release, it's going to show now it's 33.5. We still need to go down. 30.1 right there is fine, and that's how you use this inflator and the gauge connected. And this gauge, in case it fall down on the concrete, it has like a rubber protection around it, so you hit with the rubber before it can actually break. And this again is metal, so this thing is heavy duty, and it comes when it's already calibrated, so it's good to go. So there was something else I wanted to show you. There is this digital gauge right here, it works almost the same. This one is only helping you to read your tire pressure. Now we're gonna unbox this and see what's inside it there. There it is. Got some batteries here, and that's how it look like. Right, I think this is where you insert on the tire, and this is the little screen show you the results. Let's put the batteries and see what's going to show us. Now to install the battery, there is this cover here. Place it down and push backwards. Right there, that's where the battery goes. Right, let me see whether I insert them correctly. There is this button right here. There we go. Okay, there is PSI. Okay, KPA, different units of measure. Bar. Take me back to PSI. Right there. I like to use a PSI because that's what I understand better. Oh, it got a digital light there. Okay, you can see some stuff. Alright, let's use it and check the tire pressure on my vehicle and see what's going to be the results. Now let's test one of these tires. So here we go. Gotta make sure that thing is on. This is where you turn it on, and then we insert it right there. It's going to lead like this. We got 35 right there. We'll bring it closer. Okay, there. 35 psi from that. I'll go check another one. See, and here we got 34.9. Now all the 4 tires, they're supposed to read the same figure, otherwise it's gonna show up there. It's going to show up on the dash that you have flat low pressure tire. It's going to show that sign that I showed you earlier, the TPMS. So this one has 34.6. And what happens when your tires are not having the same amount of pressure all around? When you're driving on highway, the vehicle is gonna feel like it's bumping up and down. You feel like you're going through bumps. And this one is 33.7. So all the tire pressure on this vehicle, they need to be adjusted, which I'm going to do to make sure that they're all reading the same. But that's how this kit works. And good thing now I have the kit. I have the inflator and the gauge. I have this one. Thank you guys. Thank you ETENWOLF for providing this kit. We're gonna do a follow-up test in about 6 months, see if they're still performing the same way. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. My name is Jeff Cowboy. Again, subscribe if you haven't. Hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment there on the comment section and like this video so it can be reaching to many other people. Until next time, stay tuned.